Alright, so in the last video I removed this pump right here. It's all blown out, shaft's gone as you can see. And got this new one. This one's made by Hydro Gear. This is an original pump. And I also ordered this one from Hydro Gear. Brand new, part number changed, but it's the same pump. So you can see I got a few things to transfer over. All these brass fittings have to move over, so I'll be getting all these over to here. And then I'll just reinstall this and hopefully we'll be back in business. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, transfer complete. All the old parts off of this one onto this one. Probably the hardest part was getting this keyway out of the old shaft. What a pain that was, but I just held this with a pair of pliers and I was hitting the shaft. Let's see if I can find it here. Yeah, so it was stuck in the shaft, shaft here. So I was able to hold it with a pair of pliers, and then I would just hit this side really hard, and while I was holding that, it popped right out. So it's not actually tapered or anything. It's sitting in there flat. So anyways, it's out now. Now I can start the installation process. Alright, well, I got the pump back in. Now I just need to hook the lines up. Everything's down here ready to go, so we'll get it all hooked up now. Alright, all the lines are reconnected, and there's one control lever it needs to be connected to, and that's connected as well, so it's right there. Alright, we're going to get the pulley back on now in the belt. Alright, we got the pulley installed now, and a new belt. I decided that I bought a new belt. I wasn't going to replace it right away, but I was looking at this one close, Master Outdoors, we can see lots of cracks in it, and this actually is the main drive belt that drives the wheels. So if that broke, it could be a really pain. You have to change it where you're at, or put it in freewheel and push it back. So decided as long as we got it apart, we'll just do it now. So alright, so we got the new belt. It's loose right now, we got to get it installed, but we're getting close here. Alright, new belt's on now. Now we should put the gas tank back in. We're going to work on that now. Alright guys, all done now. Just filled it up with oil. Give it a try here. Yeah. We are back in business. Very good. The pump was actually $357, and the oil it takes is full synthetic 15W50, so not really hydraulic fluid, just oil. So, but looks like we're back in business again. As you can see, we can definitely use a good mowing here. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching.